Just a beautiful day here in Missouri. Knocking some windrows out. Quite 800 bales today. Well, since, I don't know, 12:30, I guess. The Simply e-bale system we have on our 1842S is saying roughly 522 bales per hour at this windrow pace.